Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make $1 million online. This isn't just another list of random side hustles. This is a highly detailed, actionable roadmap designed for those who are serious about building massive wealth in the digital world. By the time you finish this video, you'll have 15 millionaire-making strategies that have been proven time and time again. Each method is scalable, repeatable, and backed by real-world success. So grab a notebook because you'll want to take action as we go. Commit to implementing at least one of these strategies within the next 24 hours. Let's dive in. Method 1. High-ticket dropshipping, selling premium products. One of the fastest ways to reach $1 million in online revenue is by selling high-ticket products. Unlike traditional dropshipping, where people struggle selling $10 trinkets, high-ticket dropshipping focuses on items that cost $500, $1,000, even $5,000 plus per sale. How it works. Find high-ticket suppliers. Think luxury furniture, e-bikes, expensive watches. Create a branded online store using Shopify. Drive targeted traffic with Google Shopping ads and SEO. Automate fulfillment while earning $500 to $2,000 per sale. Action step. Research 5 high-ticket niches right now. Find products with at least a 30% profit margin and suppliers who allow dropshipping. Method 2. Creating and selling digital products. Why sell physical products when you can sell digital ones? No inventory, no shipping headaches, 100% profit margins. Top-selling digital products. Ebooks, online courses, digital templates, business contracts, fitness plans, Excel sheets, stock photos, and design elements. Real example. Graham Cochrane made over $1 million selling online courses on music production. Action step. Choose a digital product idea that solves a real problem. Outline a simple one-page business plan and start creating. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Earning without a product. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. The best part? You don't need to create, ship, or handle customer service. Step by step, find high-paying affiliate programs, software, finance, web hosting. Create content, YouTube, blogs, TikTok, email lists. Drive targeted traffic using SEO or paid ads. Earn recurring commissions every month. Pro tip: focus on recurring affiliate programs like ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, or Kajabi. These pay you monthly for as long as customers stay subscribed. Action step: sign up for 3 high-paying affiliate programs today. Method 4. Selling on Amazon FBA, automating e-commerce. Amazon allows you to sell products to millions of customers with zero need for warehouses or packing boxes yourself. Steps to success. Find a profitable product using tools like Helium 10. Source products from suppliers, Alibaba private label. Ship inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Let Amazon handle storage, shipping, and returns. Real case. Kevin David built a multi-million-dollar Amazon FBA business in under 2 years. Action step. Use Amazon's best sellers list to find trending products you can private label and sell. Method 5. Blogging. Build a $1 million website. Most people think blogs are dead. They couldn't be more wrong. A single SEO-optimized blog can generate 6 to 7 figures per year through display ads, Google AdSense, Mediavine, affiliate marketing sponsored posts, digital product sales example. Adam Enfroy grew his blog from $0 to $1 million a year in under 24 months with strategic SEO and affiliate marketing. Action step. Buy a domain and set up your blog today. Method 6. YouTube automation. Earning without showing your face. What if you could run a profitable YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera? YouTube automation involves outsourcing video creation, script writers, voiceover artists, editors, monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, scaling to multiple channels for exponential growth. Best niches: luxury, finance, motivation, tech reviews. Action step: pick a niche and research competitors using Social Blade. Method 7. Print on demand, selling custom products. Print on demand, POD, allows you to sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without holding inventory. Platforms to use: Teespring, Redbubble, Printify, integrates with Shopify. Action step: design 3 simple t-shirt ideas using Canva and launch them on a pod platform. Method 8. Selling on Etsy. Profitable handmade and digital goods. Etsy isn't just for arts and crafts. Digital downloads and print-on-demand products are crushing it right now. Best sellers, wedding templates, printable planners, personalized gifts. Action step: set up an Etsy store and list your first 5 digital products. Method 9. Subscription-based memberships. The power of recurring revenue. If there's one thing that billionaires love, it's recurring revenue. Imagine getting paid every single month without having to make a new sale. That's the power of subscription-based business models. Think about services like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Prime. They don't just make money once, they get paid over and over again because people subscribe to their services. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a massive corporation to profit from this model. You can create a subscription-based membership that delivers exclusive value to customers, and they'll pay you every month. How do you do it? Build a community. Create a membership site where people get exclusive content, coaching, or resources. Platforms like Patreon, Kajabi, or Substack make this incredibly easy. Sell digital content on a recurring basis. This could be stock photos, templates, fitness programs, financial advice, coding lessons, anything that people would pay for monthly. Offer private access to expertise. If you're skilled at something, people will pay to be part of your inner circle. Think about premium masterminds, private Discord servers, or VIP coaching groups. Millionaire example. Ali Abdal, a YouTuber and entrepreneur, earns over $100,000 a month from his membership site that teaches productivity, business, and content creation. He offers exclusive content, live Q&As, and a supportive community, things people are willing to pay for regularly. Action step. Think about what you can offer as a subscription model. Can you provide exclusive content, mentorship, a private network, or industry insights? Map out a membership model and plan to launch it within the next 30 days. Method 10. High-ticket dropshipping. Selling expensive products for big profits. Most people think of dropshipping as selling cheap products with tiny profit margins. But high-ticket dropshipping is a completely different game. Instead of selling $20 products, you sell items worth $500, $1,000, or even $5,000, and you pocket huge profits per sale. How does it work? You partner with suppliers who manufacture high-end products. You create a premium website that looks professional and attracts serious buyers. You run highly targeted ads to reach customers who are willing to spend big. The supplier handles the inventory and shipping, while you collect the profits. What can you sell? High-end home office equipment, premium fitness machines, luxury outdoor furniture, specialized industrial tools, high-performance electric bikes or scooters. Millionaire example. Anton Crowley, the founder of Dropship Lifestyle, made millions using this model by selling high-end furniture and home improvement products. Action step. Find a niche where people spend big money. Research suppliers and set up a professional store on Shopify. Start with a small budget on Google Shopping ads and scale as you make sales. Chapter 11. YouTube automation. Make money without showing your face. YouTube isn't just for influencers and vloggers. There's a way to build a YouTube channel that makes thousands per month without ever showing your face or recording your own voice. How does it work? You create faceless YouTube videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and engaging scripts. You monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. You outsource everything, from script writing to editing, so your channel runs on autopilot. Profitable YouTube niches, luxury and finance, videos about the habits of the rich, investment strategies, and business ideas. Tech and gadgets, reviews of the latest smartphones, laptops, or AI tools. Motivation and success stories, clips of inspiring speeches with cinematic edits. History and documentaries. People love deep dives into interesting topics. Millionaire example. Some faceless YouTube channels make $50,000 to $100,000 a month just from ads and sponsorships. A well-run channel can generate passive income for years. Action step. Pick a niche, create a YouTube channel, and start posting faceless, high-value videos consistently. You can use Pictory AI, InVideo, or Canva to automate the process. Method 12. Selling digital templates. Passive income from ready-to-use designs. People are lazy. They don't want to create things from scratch. They want plug-and-play solutions. That's why selling digital templates is a massive online business. What can you sell? Business templates, invoices, contracts, marketing plans. Canva social media templates. Etsy printables, calendars, planners, to-do lists. PowerPoint or Notion templates. Resumes and cover letter templates. Millionaire example. Sarah Titus built a multi-million-dollar business selling printables on Etsy and her website. The best part? She never has to ship anything. Everything is downloadable. Action step. Create 5 templates in a niche you're familiar with. List them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Use Pinterest and TikTok to market them. Method 13. Selling stock photos and videos. Monetize your camera skills. If you have a camera and a good eye, you can sell your photos and videos to companies, bloggers, and content creators. Where to sell? Shutterstock and Adobe Stock for general stock photos. Pond 5 and ArtGrid for stock videos. Etsy for aesthetic digital art and wallpapers. Millionaire example. Photographers and videographers like Daniel Corden make 6 figures annually just by licensing their high-quality stock footage. Action step. Shoot 100 high-quality images or videos this month and upload them to stock platforms. Method 14. Domain flipping, the online real estate game. Did you know that a simple domain name like cars.com is worth millions? People buy and sell domain names just like real estate, making massive profits in the process. How does it work? You buy undervalued domain names that businesses might want. You hold on to them or sell them for a profit. Premium domains can sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Millionaire example. Mike Mann, a legendary domain flipper, has sold thousands of domains, making millions. Action step. Use GoDaddy or Namecheap to find undervalued domains and start flipping them for profit. Method 15. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and merch with no inventory. Print on demand lets you sell custom products without handling inventory or shipping. You just upload your designs and the platform prints and ships them for you. Best platforms: Teespring and Redbubble, great for beginner designers. Printful and Printify, integrates with Shopify. Amazon merch, massive traffic potential. Millionaire example. Some Etsy and Redbubble sellers make $10,000 plus a month from passive merch sales. Action step. Create 10 designs, upload them to a print-on-demand site, and test which ones sell best. There you have it, 15 powerful ways to make $1 million online. But remember, the knowledge is useless if you don't take action. Comment below, which method are you starting today? Let's build wealth together.